At IBC 2019, I'm on the Airties stand. Alongside me is Metin Taskin, is CTO, also one of the founders of Airties. It's been 15 years now since the company first came together. So, for those who don't know, remind everyone as to what Airties does.
Of course. Airties is the most widely deployed in-home managed Wi-Fi solution in the world. What we do is we make a smart Wi-Fi software that gets integrated into the home networking devices, things like gateways or even set-top boxes. We work with many operators around the world, about 50 operators so far, and we basically make sure that the operator can manage its own in-home Wi-Fi network and make sure that the Wi-Fi network performs to the best and the users are happy with the service they are getting.
And it's been quite a big year really for Airties. Maybe you could fill us in on some of the things that have happened since we were last here at IBC 12 months ago.
Yes, sure. Airties, it was a great year for us. First of all, we have won new customers, and specifically in 4 different continents. In Europe, we announced that we started working with Bouygues Telecom for their in-home smart Wi-Fi solution, and in Croatia, Iskon and Hrvatski Telekom. In Asia, Maxis in Malaysia. US, actually, it was a significant growth for us. We have announced that we are working with 30 plus regional operators that chose to use Airties technology. So in terms of business, it's growing quite well. On top of that, another important event that happened was we have acquired smart Wi-Fi software business from Technicolor. It was called Wi-Fi Doctor in the past. So it's actually, we acquired the team, we acquired business, we acquired the technology. Now we are integrating all the new good stuff that we get with that product into our existing product line.
Now, if you look around IBC, it's all about the cloud. Well, not just about the cloud, but quite a bit about the cloud. Yeah. And you have your own Airties Cloud. Perhaps you could explain a little bit more about that to us.
Yes, for sure. Airties Cloud is, we had a cloud product before. We enhanced that product even more by adding the new technology that we got through the acquisition of Technicolor's smart Wi-Fi business. So the Airties Cloud product, namely, there's 2 really important features that came. First one is called Wi-Fi Experience Index. It's a number between 0 and 100. It indicates the user experience of Wi-Fi during the time. It's not only at any moment, it's for the past week. So it's important for the operator to know that, because when the user calls, when they have a problem, it's not very obvious that the problem is related to Wi-Fi or broadband or something else.
Sometimes it's something the consumer's done themselves, isn't it, perhaps?
So the Wi-Fi Experience Index immediately shows a number that shows how good the Wi-Fi was performing for that user. So that is in our Airties Cloud product. A second big improvement is now the usage patterns are changing. The users are using Wi-Fi at home for watching video. Okay, that was the case before, it's increasing, but there is more and more online gaming and interactive services that's used in the home.
I guess heating systems as well, for example, all sorts of things you can add in, yeah?
But Wi-Fi has to provide the good level of service to all of those applications. So we now have a feature for optimizing video and online gaming experience, so we call it quality of service enhancement. So that's part of Airties, new Airties product too. So we're basically making sure that people get what they need from the Wi-Fi. If they don't get it, why they don't get it, and the operator has the enough knowledge to fix the problem.
And I know that there are developments to Wi-Fi itself, possibly in connection with all of those new devices you were talking about there. So Wi-Fi 6 is the next thing along. Do you already have products coming along the line which you will want to introduce?
Exactly, yeah. Wi-Fi 6 is very exciting. So we are of course working with all the standards bodies, and we are following all the progress. We are also contributing as much as we can. We are working on Wi-Fi 6 products, and Wi-Fi 6, the main thing that Wi-Fi 6 does is it addresses the huge problem that Wi-Fi didn't address before. Many clients, many devices connecting to the same home network or at the same time. So we are seeing that the number of devices increasing rapidly. It's currently average number of devices per home is 10. it's increasing towards 15 and even 20, 25. So even we see homes that has 30, 35 clients connected to the Wi-Fi network. So with Wi-Fi 6, the Wi-Fi network can perform a lot better with many clients. Currently, Wi-Fi 5 or earlier Wi-Fi versions, the performance goes down if the number of clients increase. So Airties is working on optimizing Wi-Fi 6 such that every device gets the service they need. Not every home device will be Wi-Fi 6 all of a sudden. We will see 1 or 2, 3, 4 maybe, but there is still Wi-Fi 5 or older device in the network, and they should get what they need.
Okay, well, Metin, thank you very much indeed. And we've got more videos at broadbandtvnews.com.